Y'all, welcome to the cozy era. So y'all, you guys, oh my goodness, I just got done shedding some tears. Why? Because we have a new laptop. Oh my goodness. Shout out to my boyfriend, to my future husband. Y'all, he surprised me with a laptop. Like, he came home, went to the bathroom, had to go do his thing, get in the shower and stuff. And he gave me some hot fries, and then after he got done, he just came over here and he gave me the laptop. Oh my gosh. Y'all, you guys, it's time to unbox it. So lately I had a MacBook since 2019. He bought it for me, and then like it just started getting slow. And it wasn't even 2019 when he gave it to me. It kept up for some years, but it just got slow. I'm trying to figure out how to open this. Hold on, y'all. You guys, I wanted to do YouTube. Like anything with content, really, YouTube. So he went out and got me a laptop. Let's take everything out the box. Got the charger. Got this thingy. He's a tech geek, tech nerd, something like that. And good thing about that, because he would set everything up for me. And if I have problems, he would like go ahead and just fix it. Alright, so this is the laptop. Ooh. Okay. I hope it's charged. Oh, I hope this thing. And a good thing about it got a working camera. My other one, the MacBook camera, do not work. Like some had messed up in like 2022, and then I had wanted to go get it fixed. And then after that, like whatever dude did at the store, he messed it up. It was working before that. It's dead, you guys, but this how it look. This how it look. So I'm gonna charge it and I'll be back. Alright guys, I am back. I had to get my girl juiced up, but here she go. And guess what, you guys? It is touchscreen. Oh my god, it's touchscreen. Okay, so we're gonna set it up together. What's gonna be my device name? What's gonna be our device name? The cozy era. Because why not? And the keyboard pops up on the screen. Oh my goodness, I love it. But I'm gonna have to not let the keyboard pop up on the screen. We're gonna skip it for now. I know it's a way, like in your settings, you can like stop it from popping up on your screen. It's just lovely. Y'all, I am super excited. Like, I love him, and it's not with what he can give me either. Like, I promise you, I love him so freaking much, like so freaking much. And just checking for the updates. Oh, come on, I'm just ready to like use it, you know what I'm saying? And it said we'll take it from here, so we just gonna let it do its thing, run its course, and we will be golden. So I will be back in a jiffy. Back, and I just set up the laptop, and it comes with a free game pass. I used to play games and stuff. Well, I used to play Call of Duty for sure, but I don't really like the new update. I have been on Doom. I haven't played on like a minute, but like this is the girl, and it is so awesome. Like it's a risen or something like that. But I am super grateful. Oh my god, I just gotta go in and just change my time and stuff like that. This is amazing. But thank y'all for watching my video, and more videos coming soon, especially with this new laptop.